What to do if the muzzle is leaking? There are two reasons for air leakage from the gun nozzle. Air leakage without pulling the trigger and air leakage with the trigger pulled. Let's start with the first one. The reason is that the O-ring inside the cylinder is worn out. Let's open it up now and see where it is. Start by removing this cover with a wrench. Then we knock out the cylinder side. If the O-ring on this is damaged, it will cause the muzzle to leak air. We will just replace it with the same size O-ring and pull it back. After the change, we oil the cylinder and the O-ring. Put the driver set back in the cylinder and stretch it out. Put them back in the gun body. When you put back the retainer ring, note that it has a big end and a small end. The bigger end is facing inward. Reinstall the top cover. Just tighten it with a wrench. Now let's talk about a leaky muzzle when you pull the trigger. The main reason is that the bumper is damaged. This causes the muzzle to leak when the trigger is pulled. Let's talk about how to replace this bumper. First, open the back cover. Take out the cylinder side and the driver side. Then loosen the screws here on the muzzle. Poke the bumper down with a picking needle. We'll just replace the worn bumper. Place a new bumper through the driver and on top of the cylinder. The ends of the bumper are not the same. The flat side goes on facing out. And then the retainer ring. Screw on the back cover again. Finally, tighten the screws on the muzzle. Once the repair was complete, we put in the nails and checked to make sure the nails were hitting smoothly.